Imagine waking up in the middle of the night. Again, you shuffle to the bathroom for the third, maybe fourth time. You stare in the mirror, tired, frustrated, wondering when this will stop. You remember when your nights were peaceful, your energy was strong, and your confidence felt unshakable. But lately, it's like your body's been betraying you. The constant trips to the bathroom, the weak flow, the restless sleep. It's not just about your prostate, it's about your life, your vitality, and your confidence as a man. And if you're feeling that way, you're not alone. Thousands of men all over the world are quietly struggling with the same issue every single day, until they discover something that finally changes everything. Meet ProstaVive, the most potent, fast-acting formula ever created to support prostate health, strong urine flow, and deep, satisfying sleep. It's not another pill that promises the world and delivers nothing. It's a breakthrough formula that targets the real root cause of prostate issues: blood flow and cellular activity inside your prostate. A recent study from Fukushima Medical University in Japan revealed that healthy blood circulation around the prostate helps metabolize excess cells that can press on your bladder and make you run to the bathroom constantly. And that's exactly what ProstaVive does. It helps restore healthy blood flow, reduces discomfort, and supports normal size, giving you back the control and confidence you thought you'd lost. Inside every scoop of ProstaVive, you'll find a powerful combination of rare, natural ingredients that have been used for centuries to boost male vitality and support prostate health. Ingredients like boron, found in the crystal-rich deposits of Lake Yamdok-cho in Tibet, known to detoxify and support the body's natural defense against inflammation. Tongkat Ali, the ancient Eastern root used to enhance male performance, energy, and fertility. Ashwagandha, the legendary herb that promotes testosterone balance, muscle growth, and deep, restorative sleep. Fenugreek to boost libido and mood. Panax ginseng for circulation and stamina. Maca Root for energy and endurance. And artichoke extract to spark desire and support heart health. Together, these ingredients create a synergistic effect that can completely transform how your body feels and performs. But that's not all. ProstaVive is also fortified with essential minerals like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D to support testosterone levels, prostate function, and overall vitality. These nutrients help you sleep deeper, wake up energized, and feel alive again. With just one scoop a day mixed in a glass of water, you can start to feel the difference. Fewer nightly bathroom trips, a stronger flow, more energy during the day, and even a renewed spark in your love life. It's like giving your body permission to feel young again, naturally and powerfully. And the secret behind it all? Nitric oxide. It's a molecule your body produces that relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing nutrient-rich blood to reach every cell of your prostate. The healthier your nitric oxide levels, the stronger your circulation, and the better your prostate performs. That means you can finally enjoy uninterrupted sleep, powerful energy, and the kind of confidence that comes from knowing your body is functioning exactly the way it should. Thousands of men of all ages are now experiencing this transformation. They're sleeping through the night, feeling more energized, and even noticing a difference in their love life. They're calling it a second youth in a bottle. And it's no surprise, because when your prostate is healthy, everything else in your body works better. Your confidence rises, your energy flows, and your mood improves. And today, you have the chance to join them. When you choose a 3 or 6 bottle pack of ProstaVive, you'll also receive 2 incredible free bonuses. The first is the Prostate Health Smoothies Guide, packed with delicious recipes scientifically designed to boost prostate health and energy levels. The second is the Healthy Sex Drive Plan, revealing natural tips and powerful secrets that can reignite your drive, stamina, and performance, the kind of secrets your doctor never told you about. These bonuses are worth over $70, but they're yours completely free when you order today. So, now the only question is, are you ready to take back control? Are you ready to sleep through the night, to feel confident again, to live life with energy and passion? Thousands of men have already made the switch and are now feeling younger, stronger, and more alive than they have in years. Don't wait another night staring at the ceiling, wishing things were different. Click the button below, choose your ProstaVive package, and start your transformation today. Because when your prostate feels good, you feel unstoppable.